What I would say for a sales rep is that instead of just responding to a quote, to actually engage in a conversation with the customer. Let's find out what the customer needs. First, let's identify if subscription is the right fit. So, a couple key questions. Is mobility a key issue in their organization? Do they outfit their workforce with something besides a desktop? Are they getting them a tablet and or a smartphone? Do they need to be able to work from these types of devices with PDF files? I would also want to look at my license history and find out, is this customer more than 2 versions back? If so, it's probably going to make financial sense to pitch them a subscription as well. Secondly, I want to determine the right kind of subscription. So is it a Teams customer? So meaning they might have fewer number of seats, and that kind of more standard out of the box things work for them. Whereas if it's a larger enterprise customer where they have larger numbers of users, they want, do they have things like federated identity in place? Do they find it more time-consuming and cumbersome to manage their users? Where one unified console might be a little better approach for them to set up groups and how they're going to manage the various people. Do they need support? Do they need 24/7 support? Those are some questions that I would ask that would lead me down the right path of whether they need to be a Teams or an enterprise customer. So first of all, many of our customers may not know that we are selling Acrobat in a subscription version. And not only that it's a subscription version, it means that each quarter we're releasing new features. So in the past, we would have given them a product that updated every 18 to 24 months. So this is a big change in a dynamic, and we need to kind of educate the customer that we're changing and it can have some benefits to them. So your workers need to be able to say, start something maybe on the train, on a commute into work, and then they're going to pick it up and finish it when they get to their desktop. So if they're doing those types of things, the subscription version of the product really addresses mobility and the services that we need. They would prefer to go to the enterprise version that really makes that user management a little bit easier for large numbers of groups. Plus, it can integrate into things like their current SSO systems, because here they would be able to take advantage of it. It also gives them great IT benefits that not only is it managed in the way they're managing other applications, but let's say I want to have it check my LDAP each day and ensure that you're still working for the company. And that way they can limit the access to file storage and or to the applications by simply checking the LDAP on a daily basis. It also gives them better ways to provide support to their organization and security.